About this item: excellent golf rangefinder, high definition camera, 6x magnification, 7-degree field angle, distance range 5 to 1,200 yards, max 250 plus yards to flag. Class 1, 905 nm laser type. Convenient USB charging, a micro USB cable, included, could be charged from any regular charging port, including most electronics. No need replacing battery. 2 scan modes. Mode 1, continuous scan, is tournament legal. Mode 2, slope, distance and angle and flag lock and vibration tech, is perfect for daily training. Our laser rangefinder adopts advanced distance, angle, slope tech, accurate and fast, suitable for hunting, racing, bird watching, shooting, climbing, engineering, measure etc. Design. Dimension, 107/74 mm, portable size, ergonomic design, and normally water resistant. Unit of measure are meter and yard. Long press of the mode button can change over. Class 1, 905 nm laser, average power output 0.4 MW. Complete rangefinder set, photos view, including 1x rangefinder, 1x carrying case, 1x USB cable, 1x carabiner, 1x lanyard, 1x cleaning cloth and 1x manual. Accuracy, accurate out to 1,200 yards, digitally enhanced accuracy. Personally testing this device on my roof, I can see the buildings clearly beyond 1,200 yards, but there is no data displayed. When it is 1,200 or within 1,200 yards, fast and clear data show up on the lens LCD. This one is excellent for golf play, hunting, engineering measurements and outdoor activities. If you need a 1,200 yard and USB charging laser rangefinder, technical support, return policy in 30 days, Viaduct, Amazon. 24-hour reply, 12-month warranty for any product defect and customer dissatisfaction via seller, technical support.